I would say 3:25, 3:26.
I would say that's a comfortable time, just to make sure you're qualifying for. I feel like that 3:30 where we're at in the top 24 right now is kind of impractical with the time drops that we've seen today.
And how fast they've been swimming. Heat 2 and lane 2 is Napoleon. Lane 3 is Van Wert. Lane 4 is Huron. Lane 5, Colonel Crawford. Lane 6 is Port Clinton. Lane 7 is Bryan. Lane 8 is Ottawa Hills. And lane 9 is Bowling Green. And that is lane 9, and that is Alex Zhu. And down there leading then off of Bowling Green. Coming out very strong for this first leg of this relay. $49.59 for that first leg for Alex. It was a very quick time. And then in lane 6, we've got Port Clinton. And in lane 8, we've got Ottawa Hills kind of inching out there. But then down there in lane 3, you've got Van Wert, who's also pushing that.
And down in lane 2, you've got Cade Stover in the water from Napoleon. He did really well today, too.
It's amazing how we've kind of figured out who they are by how they swim.
Or their caps and their swimsuits.
Bowling Green down here in lane 9 going to finish the second leg off with the lead still. Hills down there in lane 4. I'm sorry, not Ottawa Hills, Huron, lane 4 pushing.
So this third leg of this relay for Bryan has really kind of turned things around down in lane 7. He has pushed himself in this and is trying to bring their relay back up here.
I feel like this third leg is like the gatekeeper to the race, because you're trying to set your anchor up for the best possible swim to get ahead. Here we go, last legs are in the water. So Bowling Green still has it, but Huron is coming on very quick. And then up in lane 2 is Napoleon. So Huron actually touched the wall first ahead of Bowling Green off that turn.
I think up in lane 2, Napoleon, I think they might be in that third place position right now.
We got Colonel Crawford, Napoleon, and Bowling Green going for the second place. Huron gets the first place with a 3:27.86. 3:27.86. In 8th place is Huron with a time of 3:27.86.